spending time in the great outdoors, it's so important to stay hydrated. And if you're using water bottles, you're limited by how much fluid you can take. They're also very cumbersome and difficult to carry. That's why I prefer to use a hydration bladder. Source has this fantastic bladder called the Widepac. And living up to its name, the Widepac has a really wide filling point, which makes it a lot easier and simpler to fill. The benefit I have found is I can fill it from anywhere, simply using a water tap or an open water source. That means I can spend more time out there doing what I really love. And just to add a really cool element to the video, check that out, a volcano has just gone boom behind me. Tomorrow we'll be running through the jungles of Sumatra to get to our final destination, the erupting volcano.